Hello everyone, this is Fan Yue from Alibaba Cloud Security Team. Today I'm going to show you how to use Alicloud anti-DDoS product. Anti-DDoS is a proxy-based mitigation service provided by Alibaba Cloud to mitigate DDoS attacks. It forwards traffic to the Alibaba Cloud anti-DDoS network by using DNS resolution. So today's demo includes some common configuration and the best practice of our anti-DDoS product. So let's begin. First of all, let's log in to the anti-DDoS console. We can check security overview, traffic data here, attack events, alerts on exceeded upper limits, and band-wide situation, including inbound and outbound traffic, as well as source locations, source service provider, etc. And besides instances overview, we also have domains overview here. For network attack events, black hole warnings, band-wise exceeds warnings, speed limit alarms warnings, etc., and whether the number of concurrent connections here, whether all these concurrent connections is active are also displayed here. So now let's take a look at the anti-DDoS Pro version, how to do the configuration part. So basically we have two different ways to connect anti-DDoS product. In website configuration, here, firstly, we choose our which instance we have already bought, and the first step is we need to write down the domain name which you want to protect. Okay, then choose the protocols, HTTP or HTTPS here, and enter the server IPs, the origin server IPs here. Then you can click add button. Afterwards, you need to copy the CNAME address provided by our DDoS, and then you move to the DNS resolution service console here, where the website is displayed, and you can select the CNAME of this console and make the modifications and wait for the DNS to take effect to achieve our protection. You need to change the record value here. The second way is port configuration. If your business is a non-website related business, only have layer 4 business, you can create rules here. Select the forwarding protocol, TCP or UDP. Configure the forwarding port, let's see, 443. Enter the origin server port, 80. And add the origin IPs, 47910. Click next. Our forwarding mode is round robin default. Click OK. That's it. The third part is Secure Traffic Manager. The business uses Alibaba Cloud public network IP resources and is connected to DDoS advanced version for protection. So for cloud service interaction here, you can enter the related cloud resource IP. You can use ECS instance IP, SLB instance IP, or WAF instance IP, and EIP, etc. here. And our maximum we maximum supports adding up to 20 IPs here. And if a DDoS attack occurs on a cloud resource IP, other cloud resource IPs will be prioritized until there are no available cloud resource IPs before switching to advanced defense protection. Okay, and the waiting time here allows to trigger the rollback process after the business traffic is dispatched to anti-DDoS for protection. After the attack ends and the waiting time has passed, business traffic automatically switch back to the cloud resource IP, and the range is from 30 minutes to 120 minutes. I think that's the minimum time. Yes. Okay, 30 minutes is the minimum time. 120 minutes is a maximum time. Okay. And as for the tiered protection, anti-DDoS Pro plus our anti-DDoS arranging enterprise protection, which is ideal for defending against daily attacks using anti-DDoS arranging protection, and only switch to anti-DDoS Pro for protection in the event of high volume traffic attacks. And this solution can solve the problem of increased delay in normal business access. You can select the DDoS instance IP here and set the cloud resource IP. Same for the cloud service interaction part. We support ECS, EIP, SLB, and WAF IPs. And the waiting time is also the same thing, from 30 minutes to 120 minutes. So as for CDN or DCDN interaction part, during normal business access, traffic is accelerated by our CDN or DCDN nodes without advanced defense cleaning. So ensuring low latency and high availability of business distribution, when the business is attacked, we will automatically switch the traffic to anti-DDoS premium for cleaning, ensuring a smooth operation of the business. So the above configuration is basically the same for anti-DDoS product premium version. So let's go to the premium one here. Okay, so basically you can say for the premium one, it's everything is the same, but except this one. In Secure Traffic Manager part, clicking on the Create Rule button, this page has more connection scenarios compared to our anti-DDoS Pro version. So in anti-DDoS Premium version, we support secure MCA scenario and network acceleration scenario. For anti-DDoS Premium, this secure MCA scenario, this can enable users in China mainland with accelerated access to outside of mainland China business, while providing a high level of DDoS attack protection capability and mitigation capacity provided by secure MCA more than 2 TB. Okay, this is secure MCA. And for network acceleration product, this can be used to provide mainland Chinese users with accelerated access to protected services when there is no attack. Without any attacks, all business traffic will go through network acceleration product. When DDoS attack occurs, it will automatically switch back to our anti-DDoS premium version. So you need to choose the anti-DDoS instance IP and your mainland China acceleration IP here. So you can choose the waiting time to of switching back, automatically switch back. So the difference between network acceleration product and our secure MCA is a secure MCA can accelerate traffic and provide DDoS mitigation at the same time. There is no need to switch to anti-DDoS premium product. So, but as for network acceleration product, when DDoS attack occurs, it will automatically switch to our anti-DDoS premium product. That's the difference. As for the asset management, here you can see the purchased anti-DDoS product instances, specific versions, expiration dates, and other information here, including some mitigation settings. here you can see the mitigation settings. Actually, for anti-DDoS Premium and anti-DDoS Pro product, these two products are the same in this part. So let's move forward to the investigation page. You can see attack analysis details here, including peak attack traffic bandwidth, peak connection, peak HTTP flood attack volume for our web resource, etc. And then there are some also log analysis. You can see displayed here, where we can see the full log analysis, system logs, and some advanced operation logs, advanced protection logs, etc. And we will set alarms for IP traffic here, connection account, QPS, black hole events, and other related events in cloud monitoring monitor products. And this has been integrated with our Alicloud monitor products. Move forward. As for the mitigation settings, protection configuration has detailed policy configuration here. Our DDoS protection for infrastructures can achieve black and white list, something like this, and the regional ban can be based on the source IP. There are 5 chances to evaluate IPs from the black hole every day. You are allowed to perform this action 2 minutes after your IP enter into black hole situation. As for non-website service protection, it can check and filter DDoS attacks initiated by fake IPs. The speed limit is to use current anti-DDoS IP and port as a statistical object. When the access frequency per second exceeds the threshold, the current anti-DDoS port is limited, and other ports are not affected by the speed limit. As for packet length filtering function, this allows you to do the packets filtering. For example, if your packets smaller than the minimum length or greater than the maximum length, will be discarded. Okay, as for custom policies, you can set by yourself here. Basically, that's all we have today. If you have any further question, please contact your engineers for more help. Thanks for your time. See you next time.